Okay, today guys, we're having a look at the SoundPEATS H3 earbuds and can't wait to have a look at these. We've been testing them out and they really do have a beautiful design. And there they are on the back there as well. Now, what you're going to find in these is they've got so many features packed in such a small pair of earbuds. So let's take it out and have a look. Now, lovely packaging as well. Now, these are the golden earbuds, and you've got the golden packaging there too, which is a lovely touch. Now, there it is just there. Now, look how beautiful that looks. Now, there's the case, and on the back, you've got the SoundPEATS logo. What I like, though, is this part of it. So I'm just going to move the box to the side, and we'll come back to it in a minute. So what I love is the actual design of these earbuds. Look how beautiful they look. So there they are just there. Now they look, there they're just there. Now don't they look absolutely beautiful? You can see the technology is packed into these. They're very comfortable actually in the ears. They hold a good seal. And while they look slightly bulky, they don't feel like it when they're actually sitting on your eardrums, would you believe? Now these have Bluetooth 5.4 for great audio. They also have LDAC and aptX Lossless high-res audio. So when we do the sound test, you're really going to see that coming through. And they do have noise cancellation built into these as well. Down to 55 decibels too, so you can really hear that when you're out in the traffic. Now again, there it is just there. Now it's got 7 hours of battery life in the earbuds per charge, and up to 37 hours when you're using the case. So just keep them all the time. The aptX 5, water resistant, and they've got 3 mic calling AI noise cancellation as well built into them. So to see what that is, you've got the, I'll show you just here. So you've got the mic here, you've got the mic there, you've got a mic down in there as well, and you've got one actually built into the hearing aids there as well. So it actually helps you in cancellation when you're doing calls. And they've got 12mm diaphragms too. They really are beautiful, and they've packed so much stuff into these earbuds. I mean, look at that. Yeah, really going out with presentation. Let's go back to the box and have a look what comes in it. So you just got the standard, I guess, instruction guide, booklet, how to use it just there, which is nice. So take a look. Yeah, and there you are. So you got the cable, you got some other earbud tips, instruction guide in there as well, which is a really nice touch. Now you can also use these with the SoundPEATS audio app too, to customize the music, customize the audio, which I suggest you do. The app also helps with different noise cancelling modes. So you've got the noise, indoor noise cancelling, outdoor noise cancelling. It really helps to minimize 99.8% of the ambient noise out there, which is great. And you're all around. You've also got transparency mode too, which you can use them. Press a button and you can hear calls. So you can do them completely through the earbuds, through the app, and you just got it packed with different features. So guys, I can't wait to go out there and show you how these look. Again, look at that beautiful design. And again, I love in-ear buds, how they sit in the ears, but these are packed with technology. And as you can see the technology actually in the earbuds themselves. They're really, really nice. So yeah, let's go and look at, we'll jump in and show you the guys the full review later. The SoundPEATS. Another thing as well, so 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playback, which is great. Now you can adjust the EQ settings through the app, for example, enhance bass, mids, multi-point connection too, as well, which is nice. And also has those 3 mics, there's 6, so 3 mics in each earbud, and also uses a Qualcomm CVC 8.0. So it ensures crystal clear calls. And the L-shaped acoustic tube actually helps with vocal clarity as well. So how that's designed is for clarity, and also filters wind and ambient noise and reduces echo too. So we're going to do this full review to see what the sound is, but we're hoping this gives you the full audiophile sound. The SoundPEATS H3 earbuds.